Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar today called for a federal crackdown on pharmaceutical companies for raising the prices of life-saving drugs to record levels.
Klobuchar today toured a Children's Hospital Cancer Treatment Center in Minneapolis and said that she will push Congress to rein in prescription drug price hikes. Pat Kessler was there and has more on how she plans to bring those prices down.
It's bad enough the Dwyer family from Cambridge has 2 children getting cancer treatment at Children's Hospital.
Oh, you're in a good place then.
Yes.
But even when they manage to raise enough money to afford it, they sometimes have to wait.
We shouldn't have to fight to get this, or when we finally do get the approval, only to say that, I'm sorry, there's a shortage and we don't have this.
The Dwyers joined Senator Amy Klobuchar on a tour of Children's C.H. Robinson Infusion Center, where Klobuchar said Congress needs to rein in drug company prices and policies.
Her focus should not be on why are the pharmaceutical companies charging double what they are in other countries for the drugs that her kids need to stay alive.
Klobuchar introduced bills to allow patients to get medications from Canada at half the price, forbid drug companies from paying generic companies to keep drugs off the market, and allow Medicare to negotiate directly with pharmaceuticals. The action comes weeks after a drug company executive jacked up the price of a life-saving medication 5,000%. The Dwyers say they have post-traumatic stress about it all for treatments their doctor says can cost $200,000 to $300,000 each.
And what we find is at times families are not able to afford their out-of-pocket costs for these drugs, which can be thousands and thousands of dollars per year.
Well, pharmaceutical companies say the price of medicine reflects the cost of research and developing new cures, but Senator Klobuchar says research does not cost more in the U.S. than other countries, and we pay more here than anywhere else for these kinds of medications.
Yeah, what about the drug executive, the company executive who raised a heart medication by 5,000%?
Yeah, think about that.
A lot about that. Where does that stand?
It was crazy when this first came out, but yeah, it caused a furious reaction across the country. It was denounced by Democrats and Republicans alike. Well, Touring Company was forced to reduce the price of that drug. And you probably saw that Michael Shkreli was arrested last week, but not for raising drug prices. That's not against the law. He was arrested for alleged securities fraud. So this thing has really got a lot of attention, and we're going to hear more about it, of course.
Definitely. All right, Pat, thank you.
You bet.